When searching for the right air conditioning contractor, keep these important things in mind. When it comes to your air conditioning, size and materials truly matter. An experienced contractor can assess the size of your cooling needs by using recognized methods and can also provide you with cost-effective and ENERGY STAR qualified solutions. The following are 3 vital tips. When searching for the right cleaning service, keep these important things in mind. A busy working environment can become disorganized and messy very quickly. Fortunately, the right cleaning service can help you keep your office space or working environment clean, sanitized, and professional looking. The right cleaning service will also provide you with a cleaning frequency schedule that works best for you. The following are searching for the right sign company. Keep these important things in mind. When looking to make a good impression, oftentimes you only get one chance. Having the right visual presence for your company or business is crucial. Proper signage can help expand your brand and display a clear message to your target audience. Searching for the right interior designer, keep these important things in mind. Your living or workspace can be an extension of your personality and a true reflection of your style. An interior designer with a trained eye and a clear understanding of your needs can make a room fit your distinctive style. The right interior designer can also utilize their industry contacts to access unique products and obtain considerable discounts. When searching for the right storage facility, keep these important things in mind. Whether you are getting ready for a move or simply need extra space to store your belongings, using a quality storage facility is always a smart decision. The right storage facility can accommodate and protect all the items you need to store and give you appropriate access when necessary. The following 3 vital tips to help you find a kitchen contractor that is right for you. 1. To avoid any potential problems and surprises, ask to see the contractor's license and insurance before they begin work. 2. Ask about the proposed time frame and schedule for the completion of your job. Also request before and after pictures of recent work they've completed for other satisfied customers. 3. Always ask if they have online testimonials or positive reviews they could direct you to. There's more you should know about choosing the right kitchen contractor. The information we provide could save you time and money. Just visit our website or call us today.